English for kids. Telling daily activities. Diani'S activities. My daily activities. My name is Diani. I am a teacher. I teach at an elementary school. I teach English. I usually get up at 4 o'clock. After that I pray and tidy the bed. Then I prepare breakfast for my family. We usually have breakfast at 6 o'clock. After it I go to school by motorcycle. My school is far from my house. It is about 7 kilometers. My children usually go to school on foot because their school is not far. I go home from school at 2 p.m. Then I have lunch and take a nap. In the afternoon I and my children usually work together to clean our house. In the evening, I prepare the dinner, then we have dinner together. After dinner I teach my children. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Don't forget like, subscribe, and share.